Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to turn any t-shirt design into any color you like using Canva? Learn how to change a t-shirt's color in Canva with this quick step-by-step tutorial. Click the Create button to begin. Next, choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 100 for the width and 100 for the height. Confirm your settings to proceed with your custom-sized project. Click the Create New Design button located at the top right of the dashboard to start your new design project immediately. Click the Elements tab in the left sidebar, then type T-shirt into the search bar and press Enter. In the Graphics section, click See All, then browse the options and select the template called Have Design in Life. After you select it, the item will automatically appear here in your Canva workspace. Click the edges of the element to expand its size as needed. Once you've adjusted it to fit, select the Edit button to begin making changes to the content. In the Filters section, click on See All to display every available filter. You'll see a variety of choices available for you on this screen. Choose the effect you prefer from the list. For example, select Do It on Black to emphasize intensity. Once applied, adjust the effect by sliding the slider to the left to decrease the intensity or to the right to increase it. Watch the preview window to see the changes in real time. Notice the subtle differences as you refine your selection to achieve the desired look. Open the coloring tool to start customizing your drawing colors. To change t-shirt colors in Canva, select the t-shirt, click the color tile, and choose your desired color. You just learned how to change t-shirt colors in Canva. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.